Hello everyone, welcome to Scrub Smart, a scrub nurse's guide from a nurse to a nurse. In this channel, we will learn about surgical instruments, operation theatre setup, and important knowledge for scrub nurses and nursing students. In today's video, we will learn the basic introduction to the operation theatre, also known as OT. An operation theatre is a specially designed sterile environment where surgical procedures are performed safely. The OT is equipped with advanced medical equipment, surgical equipment, anesthesia machines, and monitoring systems to support the surgical team during operations. Maintaining sterility and infection control is extremely important inside the operating theatre to protect the patient. Before entering the sterile area of the operation theatre, the surgical team must perform surgical hand scrubbing. This is done at the scrub station, which is usually located near the entrance of the operation theatre. Surgical hand scrubbing removes microorganisms from the hands and arms, helping maintain a sterile surgical environment. Surgical instruments are essential tools used during surgical procedures. These instruments are carefully cleaned, sterilized, and arranged on sterile trays before the surgery begins. The scrub nurse is responsible for preparing the instrument tray and passing instruments to the surgeon during the procedure. Each surgery requires a specific set of instruments depending upon the type of operation being performed. A surgical procedure is performed by a trained surgical team where each member has an important responsibility to ensure the surgery is performed safely and efficiently. The surgical team usually includes the surgeons who perform the operation, the assistant surgeons who helps the surgeon during the procedure, the anesthetist who administers anesthesia and continuously monitors the patient's vital signs such as heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen levels, the scrub nurse who prepares and manages the sterile surgical instruments and passes them to the surgeon during the operation, the circulating nurse who works outside the sterile field and assists the surgical team by providing additional supplies and maintaining the OT environment, the OT technician who prepares and checks surgical instruments, anesthesia machines, and other technical devices used during the operation, the hospital attendant who assists with the patient transport, positioning, and general support tasks inside the operation theatre, the sanitation staff who are responsible for maintaining cleanliness and proper waste disposal in the operation theatre to prevent infection. All team members of surgical team work together to ensure patient safety and a successful surgical procedure. The anesthesia machine is used to deliver anesthesia to the patient during surgery. This machine helps control the patient's breathing, oxygen level, and anesthetic gases throughout the operation. The anesthetist continuously monitors the patient's vital signs such as heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen saturation. Proper waste disposal is an important part of infection control in the operation theatre. Medical waste is separated into different color-coded containers depending on the type of waste. For example, general waste, infectious waste, sharps such as needles and blades. Correct disposal helps prevent infection, contamination, and environmental hazard. Understanding the basic setup of the operation theatre is very important for nursing students, scrub nurses, and healthcare professionals. In the upcoming videos on Scrub Smart, we will learn about the surgical instrument trays for different surgeries, and practical scrub nurse skills. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Scrub Smart for more educational videos. Thank you for watching.